making for yourself and for yourself at home, then you definitely want to just cut this to your level or to your size. So you'll be needing 2 big cups of Carotone. You'll be needing 1 kg of your shea butter, yes, and you'll be needing 1 kg of your mango butter. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl again, Luminous Skincare. If you're seeing this face for the first time, hi, I'm Luminous, and on this channel I'm about skincare, product review, supplement review, DIYs, everything concerning skincare, body enhancement review. Yeah, you want that big side, you understand? You want that shapy body. This is exactly what we do on this channel. So if this is the kind of content you love to know about, please definitely subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified each time once I drop a new video. Without wasting much time today, let's dive straight into today's business. So today I'll be teaching you guys how to mix your Carotone and still get a flawless shade from it. No knuckles, no green vein, no white patches from Carotone. Yes, you're going to get the Carotone from the market and you get the best results from the Carotone. You understand what I'm saying? This is going to be the best recipe you can actually make, because a lot of people you make use of Carotone and in the end they start having green vein, they start having red patches, all sort of issues from Carotone, because Carotone on its own has hydroquinone. Any product that has hydroquinone has the tendency of giving you one issue or the other. You just need to know the best way to use that product, you understand? So today I'll be teaching you guys how to mix your Carotone the right way. The first thing we'll be needing for this recipe is our Carotone. Of course, our Carotone. 2 big cups of our Carotone. This is actually a big batch. Yeah, this is a big batch. But if you're making for yourself and for yourself at home, then you definitely want to just cut this to your level or to your size. So you'll be needing 2 big cups of Carotone. You'll be needing 1 kg of your shea butter. Yes, and you'll be needing 1 kg of your mango butter. You'll be needing 3 ampoules of your stretch mark ampoules. Yeah, 3 stretch mark ampoules. And the last thing you'll be needing is your preservative. So let me go about how to mix this for the best results. So the first thing you'll be needing, like I said, is your Carotone cup cream. This is how you go around it. Melt your shea butter and your mango butter together. Melt your shea butter and your mango butter together. So melt your mango butter and your shea butter together, you understand? After melting it, after that, after melting your shea butter and your mango butter together, bring down from the low heat and allow it to cool down a little bit. After that, put this shea butter and mango butter, put it in the fridge and let it refrigerate for about 12 to 6 hours. Yes, let it refrigerate for about 12 to 6 hours. Then you should have this a little solid substance. Then after, then bring out from the fridge, get your mixer or whisk, anyone that is better for you. You can use the mixer or the mix. Get your mixer to mix these butters together. Mix until you have a fluffy content, you understand? Mix very well until your butters are fluffy enough. Then you go in with your 2 cups of Carotone. Yes, you add in your 2 cups of Carotone. Mix together with the Carotone. Make sure to mix very well. You know you're mixing oil, shea butter with Carotone, you understand? You need to mix it very well in order for it not to start separating, you understand? Mix very well. Make sure to mix this very well. And then you had your ampoules, you had your 3 stretch mark ampoules into the mixture. Then you had your preservative. Your preservative, you need just 2 tablespoons of your preservative. With that, you have your shea butter, you have your Carotone, and you are going to get a lovely skin tone from this Carotone, because it is not going to give you dark knuckles, it is not going to give you green vein, it is not going to give you any form of skin issues. So if you're making a small batch, like I said earlier, you just have to divide this to your taste, to your level. If you're, for example, if you're making a very small batch, you can mix maybe 1/4 of Carotone to 100 gram of shea butter and 100 gram of mango butter, you understand? With that, you have a little batch of your Carotone mix, and you get the perfect result from this. This is not going to give you stretch mark, like I said. This is not going to give you dark knuckles. It is not going to give you green vein. You're going to get a very, very good result from this product. If this content has been helpful, please kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified each time once I drop a new video. Thanks for watching my video. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Peace out.